Jason, do you like swimming?
I love swimming.
Do you like the pool?
Yeah, I like the pool.
You like the pool? Uh-oh, look who's coming. Will is coming.
Oh no, we're gonna get it.
Easy. Stay all the way at the edge. Toes at the edge. You want to run? Okay, go all the way off. Good jump. Oh. Too much water?
We go.
He went under you.